Hi everyone, it's Vicky here and welcome back to another card making video. Today I'm playing with the last die of the month club kit by Spellbinders with this adorable bunny, lots of clothes, eggs, flowers, and it is perfect to create an Easter card or a spring card. I cut out everything from colored cardstock, so I'm going to run everything through my die cutting machine, and by the magic of video editing, here are all the pieces that I need ready to go. So all I have to do is to just assemble everything. Now I will start with the bunny, and for the little pieces like the nose and the eyes, where you can see there are holes, I like to use double-sided tape at the back so that I do have adhesive at the front and I can stick all the tiny pieces inside. Now it is really easy to put together everything. On the eyes, on the holes, I put back the white pieces, and for the nose I have cut out a light pink one. Now I'm going to add the ears again from light pink cardstock. And then for the cheeks, there are two pieces that I cut out again from the same light pink cardstock. And you know exactly where you're supposed to stick them down because there are indentations, there is embossed lines on top of the bunny, so you know exactly where everything should fall. Now there is the belly, which I'm not going to use because I will cover it up with clothes. And then for the eyes, there are two different eyes with lashes or without lashes. I went with the cute lashes one, and I'm going to stick it on top. There is a tiny little hole so you can see the back white piece, which makes it look more, it kind of brings it more to life, and I think it is adorable. Now I am going to stick the little dress. I went with the dress in yellow, but you will find lots of other options to dress up your bunny. So there are many different ways that you can turn it into a boy or a girl, whatever you like. I'm adding a little bow as well at the same color as my dress, and then you get the hands. Now for the hands you can have them any way that you like pointing up on the side or even on top of the body like I'm going to do here. So I'm just testing out how things are going to look like, and I'm going with the carrot. I'm going to give her a carrot to hold. There are many different options for her to hold. You will find that you can give her an egg, of course, for an Easter card. You can give her even paint brushes. There is a little paint bucket. So it's not all even flowers. So keep in mind it's not only for Easter, like I'm going for an Easter card today, but there are many different options with this bunny. Plus you make it a boy or a girl. You can have two of those in a card. You can even make birthday cards for twins. I think the options are endless. Just mix and match different elements. After all, it is the big die of the month, so you really do get a bunch for your bucks. So my bunny is ready. I did put together the jig. Now I'm going to put together the flowers. And I went with 3 flowers. At this stage, I don't know how many I'm going to need for the final composition. But it's good to start with 3 and then we will see if I need to die cut some extras. Now I am going for a window card today. You can turn it into a shaker card if you like. I just wanted to cut out a circle at the center, and I am going to put together everything inside that circle. Now keep in mind that the bunny does have legs that you can use if you like, plus it gives you a way to create a mechanism for the legs to dangle so they can move left and right. However, for this card design I'm not going to use that. I just tuck the bunny inside behind that window. Now I'm also using the eggs. I do have 3 different sizes of eggs that I'm going to tuck around the bunny to create a little composition. The chick will go on top of the biggest egg just to keep her company. Then the sentiment goes on the outside. I was debating whether I wanted to go with white on white for the sentiment. But although it doesn't show so much on the video, it does look nice in real life, and hopefully you will see that sentiment, how it pops in the photos that I will add at the end. I'm also embellishing a little bit the composition with some of the flowers, and let's add some sparkle for the card just to make it look more interesting, to make it more special. So I'm using those gems at the center of the flowers. They're actually on top of the yellow part, but a little bit offset. For some reason, I like to put things offset. I always feel like it makes everything look more interesting. Now, I feel like there is a little gap on one side, so I am going to tuck inside some grass. These are leaves that I cut out from another set from this month. This is the small die of the month where you get those leaves, but I'm sure you do all have some extra leaves that you can cut out and tuck here and there to make the composition look more full. So here are some close-up photos on the card that I made for today. Links to everything I used can be found down below in the description. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all next time.